Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Emily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make 2 DIY jewelry organizers that can help you organize your necklaces, bracelets, and rings. Let's get on with the video. You will need 4 wooden dowels, ribbon or twine, and scissors. You want to place all of the wooden dowels on a piece of ribbon or a piece of twine, and then you want to tie the ribbon or the twine tightly into a knot, and then you want to tie a bow. When you're done tying your ribbon or your twine, you can spread the dowels apart until they're standing. Then you'll be done with this jewelry organizer. You can organize your bracelets, necklaces, and depending on the size of your wooden dowels, you can put your rings on it. You're going to want to find a stick that you can find on the ground outside. If you want, you can spray paint the stick any color that you want. I painted mine an off-white color before filming this video. The first thing you want to do is to tie a piece of twine on both sides of the stick. This is how the stick will hang on a wall. Now you want to lay out some nails where you want them to be on the stick. Then you can mark on the stick where you want the nails to be at with a pencil. When you're done marking where the nails will go, you can carefully hammer the nails in where the marks are. If you want, you can put a towel under the stick to help protect your surface. You're going to want something like this. If you want to, you can get some ribbon and glue an end of a piece of ribbon onto the stick. Then you want to wrap the ribbon around the stick, kind of like how a candy cane looks like. Once you're done wrapping the ribbon onto the stick, you can glue the other end of the ribbon to the stick. Then you'll be done with your jewelry organizer and you can hang it up on your wall. You can organize your bracelets, necklaces, and you can even put a few rings onto it too. And that's how you make these jewelry organizers. In the comments down below, let me know what you think about these DIYs, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more DIYs. I will see you in the next video. Bye!